good day everyone out there. Welcome to another Ask an Architect segment where I, an architect, answer any questions you might have. And if you have a question you'd like me to answer, go ahead and submit it to aaa@domum.design. Our question today comes from Jim, and Jim asks, why does it take so long to get a permit? Getting a permit can take a long time. Sometimes we're surprised and we can get permits really quickly, but I think it's important to understand all the processes and steps that go into pulling a building permit. So we've developed a needs and options review as our pre-designed services where we can sit down with you, look through your project, figure out everything that needs to happen and develop some timelines. That way have a ballpark of what it's going to take. After the architect prepares their plans and drawings, there's usually a planning department review, and then you produce the working drawings to go in for the building permit and for the contractor to build off of, and that plan check process can take quite a bit of time as well. For smaller projects, sometimes you can skip over the planning process or it's a same-day turnaround. And the building department process might be an over-the-counter thing, which might take a few hours or a day. For more complicated projects, there might be a number of different agency reviews, including environmental studies, and that could take years, really. So it really depends on the scope of the project, and that's why we recommend doing a needs and options process at the beginning, laying out that time frame. But I found that if you understand the time frame going into it, then usually you're not so stressed and thinking it's taking a long time because you have an understanding of where the process is at. So Jim, hopefully that answers your question. If you would like us to talk specifically about your project and you'd like to run it by me and have us put together an estimate on timeframes to get a permit, feel free to reach out to us. There's a link in the description below where you can schedule a consultation call with me, a free consultation call, and we can talk through your project. Okay, until next time, I'm Tim, and this has been Ask an Architect. Thanks.